to be short and immoral. As I take my last breath, I realize showtime is over. I wonder, what am I to do? What am I to say? What am I to be? What am I